we saw people were getting tacos and burgers delivered like these, we had to step in. Introducing our new chicken taco and cheeseburger pizzas. What? Oh my. Now the best way to get a taco or burger delivered is to get a Domino's pizza.
Go on, you made it.
My job is to help new homeowners to turning.
I'm having a big lunch and then just a snack.
We're using a speakerphone in the store. Is that a good idea?
One of the ways I do that is to get them out of the home.
You're looking for a grout brush.
Garden is getting out here, huh? No.
We all see it. We all see it.
Just glare.
Okay.
Blue Progressive can't protect you from becoming your parents, but we can protect you from another when you bundle with us.
You don't know him.
So ashamed to overpay for this used car, I've decided to go undercover. Guess I picked the wrong used car site.
Remember, if you don't, you're not seeing the most accurate price. Shop at Carfax. You won't have to overpay on this used car again.
Oh, hey, Beth, how we feeling?
Good.
Yep,
Moving.
moving.
Shop millions of great deals. Well, Carfax Report. Only at the all-new X.com.
Hello?
Listen, Highway Patrol, you're looking for a couple of missing teenagers.
That's right. Last seen in a red Focus.
The steering wheel's getting